we do is anesthetize the fish, and then once the fish is anesthetized, we gently transect the spine right below the brain, and cut the head of the fish and remove it from the spine. Then we take the head and place it in the dish. The dish contains fish water. At this point, what you're seeing is the fish's ventral side up. So this is the lower jaw of the fish, and the gills are over here. This is one of the eyes. So I'm going to turn the fish dorsal side up. Once you turn the fish dorsal side up, put a pin in the mouth of the fish to hold it in place. And then you can put another pin to hold the sides of the fish in place. Make sure these pins are well placed and angled, because they're going to hold your fish during the process of the dissection. So what we see now are the eyes of the fish, the brain proper, and the mouth. The olfactory bulbs are going to be towards the nose over here. So we will be cutting the skull on the periphery and then peeling it forward to expose the brain underneath. Just adjusting the light a little bit to get better visualization. Again, the brain proper is right in the center. This is the spinal cord. We will be cutting all along the sides to expose the brain. The skull is thick, so don't be afraid. As long as you're on the sides, you should be fine. So once you make a few cuts, you can gently hold the skull and peel it back. Exposing the brain underneath. Be careful, the olfactory nerves and all the nerves underneath are still attached. So when you're peeling the skull, you don't want to be too harsh and peel off the olfactory bulbs, which is where the neurons of interest are located. Now you can really easily see the exposed brain. So the spinal cord is down here, and then this up here is the telencephalon, and the hypothalamo-pituitary axis would be exactly below there. So now I'm going to expose the brain and cut all the cranial nerves to remove it from the skull. So for this, you can hold on to the spinal cord gently and cut the cranial nerves that hold the brain in place. The optic nerves are really big and bright white. Alright, and the brain has now been excised. That is the excised brain right there.